Hi there, students. An excursion, a countable noun. I guess you could have an adjective, excursionary, as well. Yeah, I don't think it's very common as an adjective. Let's see. An excursion is a brief trip, a short trip, normally a pleasure trip, and made by a group of people. So, my family and I went for an excursion to Chester last weekend. So, an exhibition, an expedition, an outing, a trip, a jaunt. Yeah. So we got in the car and we went to Chester and we arrived and we had lunch and we saw the sights and the different historical buildings, and then we went round the shop and we had some tea and then we came home. That would be an excursion, yeah. So an excursion is where you go out, make a trip for pleasure. Normally, it's with a group of people. Let's see, maybe you're on a package holiday or on a holiday with a group of people. I don't know. For example, yeah, you're on a cruise, and the cruise ship arrives in Stavanger in Norway, and then you have various different excursions which the cruise company offer. So different trips where you can go and do different things, and that's the idea of an excursion. Yeah, is to go with a group of people. Normally, it's a brief pleasure trip. Yeah. Okay, so an excursion is to go somewhere, normally for a short period of time. Um, so it's a trip to an interesting place that's been arranged or recommended by a holiday company or some sort of organisation. Yeah, so I don't know. For example, yeah, if you go to Madrid, then maybe an excursion to Toledo would be a very interesting excursion for the day. There are various excursions. They're trips to places that are, well, they're near, but near-ish, and that's the idea of an excursion. Okay, so it's like a trip, a deviation, some sort of digression. Um, I was driving home and I thought I really wanted a drink, so I took a little excursion to a pub that I like, had a drink, and then continued on my journey. So it's like going off the way that you normally go. It's a deviation, yeah, from what you normally do. Um, you could have an excursion fare. Okay, maybe for the train or for a bus. Yeah, it's less expensive than the regular fare, but it has certain special conditions. It's a round trip. Yeah, you've got to pay in advance. Maybe you're only allowed to leave and come back on certain days, and that's an excursion rate. Yeah. Um, well, yeah, it's going with the idea of an excursion. Yeah, you're going on an excursion because you're going to do something interesting, something different. Okay, an excursion into. So this means that you attempt something different. You try to understand something that you've not done before. So yeah, he likes languages and he's been studying English for many years. But over the past couple of months, he's been taking an excursion into other languages. Yeah, his excursion into Russian. Or yeah, normally the music that he produces is hip hop, but he has recently had an excursion into hard rock, doing something new, attempting something new, something that you haven't experienced before. So you're going off your normal route into a new way, into a new idea. and that again is your excursion. So it's a deviation from the normal course. Yeah, moving away from your normal course and doing something different. So, yeah, excursion, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then, as to origin, it comes from Latin excursio, running out, ex, out, and currere, to run. So you are running out, you're running away from the normal. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Excursion.